Dear friends, namaskars to each one of you. When on 25th of March, the country went under lockdown as per the announcement of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, more than the food and groceries, everyone was concerned how the syllabus of the children will be complete. Technology came to our rescue and all the schools started having online classes. The parents and the students did a marvelous job by gluing themselves to the laptops and the televisions and computers to accomplish this job. This time, even the parents took an active part to complete and participate in the classwork of the students by helping their children to understand how to attend these online classes. My sincere thanks to the students and the parents who took an active part to accomplish this hurricane task of completing the syllabus up to April 2020. This would not have been possible without the efforts of our academic, co-curricular and ICT staff whose untiring efforts made this possible. The teachers glued themselves to the laptops and took online classes. I know how much trauma they must have undergone by being on the computer for 3 or 5 hours. Dear friends, this work would not have been complete without the active participation of the entire school team who did a marvelous job in accomplishing this. All work and no play made Jack a dull boy. Apart from the academics, the students were given activities like quiz, dance, dramas, and they were told to send this online. They will be assessed on this basis and will be given prizes when the school opens. The help which we got from Viva and Ratna Sagar team in doing this for us is marvelous. I sincerely thank each and every one of them. I would not be completing my job if I don't appreciate the efforts put in by our principal, Mrs. Kanchan Dulani, our vice principals, Mrs. Nehta and Mrs. Arpita Rao. Leave aside these names, there are so many whom I can't name in this short video, but their names have already been written in the books of angels in heaven. May God bless each one of you, and I sincerely thank each and every one for the marvelous work they have done in helping to complete this academic syllabus till April 2020. Thank you, and God bless you all.
Namaste. A heart filled with gratitude is the one that promotes joyous living. By our Gurudev, Dada J.P. Vaswani. Today, Team SVIS has assembled here to pay heartfelt gratitude to all our important stakeholders. My first gratitude goes to our management and the mission members, those who have connected us to the live satsangs and Dadaji's book club. My second gratitude goes to my lovely children, those who are connected throughout the lockdown period with their teachers for online sessions, submission of works and now assessments. Thank you, children. My third gratitude goes to the parents, those who are with their children, guiding them at home, the value and importance of online sessions. We have seen wonderful creativity and talent in our children under the able guidance of parents through presentation, video presentations of model making and talent hunt. Thanks a lot. My fourth gratitude goes to all the publishers and service providers, those who were with us during this journey. Thanks to Tata Edge, Neverskip, Viva Education, Ratna Sagar, Brainfeed, Oxford and Scholastic team for our journey. Last but not the least, my heartfelt gratitude goes to my Corona warriors, yes, my staff of SVIS, teaching, non-teaching and admin staff. We all were together during this journey. Our teachers have upgraded themselves with techniques and technology to impart education to our children. Thanks to my wonderful team. At the end, I will give a piece of advice to the parents to spend time with their children. Give the essence of love to your child as if you are holding your child for the very first time. Go to your childhood and share stories of your childhood with the children. Let the children be children and play with them. Share your reflections with your children. Let the children interview the parents and listen to the stories of success and failures. Kindly guide your children and prepare them as a lifelong learners. Thank you. Dada Shyam.
Namaste. This is Mr. Govardhan, in charge for Senior Secondary Sciences. There is only one thing in the universe we'll get over whether we use it or not, that is time. So, our management is planned many activities related to academics as well as curricular and co-curricular for wonderful students of SVIS. My gratitude goes to all the parents who worked with their children in helping studies and cooperating with the teachers to keep the work update and providing facilities to their children to attend online classes, sending homeworks and attempting Microsoft online assessments with immediate results. I know it's tough to handle your kids' studies along with your routine work, but you all made it successfully. Thank you, parents, for your wonderful cooperation. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.
Hello everyone, I am Jiren Kumar Keswani, Head in Charge of Commerce and Humanities in Sadhu Vaswani International School. I would like to thank all our stakeholders, our students, parents and our teachers for their wonderful work and dedication throughout the month and the successful completion of online classes. I would like to thank our mentor and guide, our principal, Ms. Kanchan Dulani, for her support for the month. At the end, I would like to appeal and advise you all to stay safe and protected. Hope to meet you all soon. Dada Shyam.
Good morning everyone. Let me begin by saying how much we miss our students during this pandemic, but I'm very happy as we were linked through online sessions. I would like to thank parents and students for their support in smooth functioning of online classes conducted by our school. I would also like to appreciate the work done by our head of departments, teaching and non-teaching staffs for their professionalism and commitment towards serving our most important asset, that is our children. And we have tried to bring everyone's strength together to face the challenge, and to one extent we have done that also. Thank you everyone once again. Dada Shyam.
God doesn't give us what we can handle. God helps us to handle what is being given to us. Greetings to one and all. COVID-19 lockdown saw innumerable talents amongst SVIS staff, students and parents. Our staff, be it curricular or co-curricular, didn't leave a single stone unturned to learn the new teaching methodology and imparting them to the students. The students readily grasped all the knowledge imparted through online classes. All these wouldn't have been possible without the prime support of our stakeholders, that is parents. With your help, support and cooperation, we were able to inculcate whole brain development of our loving students. Today, we would like to thank you all in a special way and appreciate all the efforts put in by you all during these lockdown days. Thank you, enthusiastic staff, talented students, cooperative stakeholders. Stay home, stay safe.
Dear parents, Namaste. I am Kalpana, Headmistress Middle School. Dear children, how are you? We are missing you so much, and we are missing our school? Yes, but our teachers are interacting with you for the last 4 weeks. Dear parents, thank you so much for your cooperation in our efforts to continue education through these online methods in the special situation we are into. Let us continue our efforts to see that our children are effectively connected in academics, to learn new talents and also learn some life skills till normalcy is restored. Feel free to give suggestions anytime. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy. Dada Shah.
Namaste. I express my sincere gratitude to all the parents, students, and the teachers. We hope that you and your family are safe and coping well during this lockdown period. This is a very challenging time for all of us. My sincere gratitude to all the parents for their contribution of time and idea to make our work productive and stimulating. Big thank to all my teachers who were constantly helping students by sending contents, videos, and solve questions to make teaching and learning more convenient. We thank you for your goodwill and support in the trying times. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Vanaja, the pre-primary headmistress in Sadhu Vaswani International School. I hope and pray that you all are fine, healthy, happy at home. I would like to take this opportunity to thank my students, teachers, and my parents for their unconditional support and cooperation during this testing time. Once again, I would like to thank you all. Thank you so much. Stay healthy, stay happy.
Good morning, dear teachers. How are you all? Hope so you all are fine and safe at home with your family. During this pandemic session, teachers, you are amazing and helpful and extending your incredible support whenever we needed you. You are right beside us to give your incredible support. Thank you, teachers. Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I really thank you for attending the online classes regularly and showing your patience and support for listening, following, and the tips given by the teachers. Good morning, dear parents. How are you all? I really express my heartfelt gratitude for being regular for the online sessions and participating actively in the co-curricular activities which were conducted by the art and the dance department. Thank you, dear parents. No words can ever express the extent of appreciation and gratitude you have done to us. Thank you, dear teachers, students, and parents for cooperating in this session.